Hi my dear children, this is Prasanna, your maths tutor. Dear students, in the previous video we learnt half, one third and one fourth of objects in a set. In this today's video we are going to learn how we are going to break the things of the same kind in a set into equal shares or parts. So let us take a small example. So here I have taken a group of baskets. So basket is something which you can use to carry vegetables or some other items, right? So this is a group of baskets, and this group of baskets can be broken into equal shares in more than one way. So I am going to show you the ways one by one. So the first way is I am going to break this group of baskets like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here this group of basket has been broken into 6 equal parts. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there were 6 baskets. Then I divided those all baskets into how many equal groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I divided the 6 baskets into 6, I divided those 6 baskets into 6 equal groups. Then if I do so, I will get 1/6 of the 6. So that 6 times of 6, 6. This is 6 as it is. The 6 divided by 6 is what? 1. So if I divide 6 baskets into 6 equal groups or into 6 equal parts, then I will get one basket in each equal part, in each equal share. And this way of breaking can be done in another way as well, that is this way. See here, I am going to break this group of baskets in another way like this. 1, 2, 3. See here, 2 baskets, 2 baskets, 2 baskets. So there are 6 baskets, and I divided those 6 baskets into how many equal shares or how many equal parts? 1 part, or second part, third part. So I divided those 6 baskets into 3 equal groups, and afterwards I will get 2 baskets in each part. See here, 2 baskets, 2 baskets, 2 baskets. So that is why 1/3 of 6 is 2 and 1/6 of 6 is 1. And this way of breaking can be done in another way as well. That is, see here, this group of basket can also be broken into 2 equal groups. So this is the first one and this is the second one. See here, there are 6 baskets. And I divided this group of baskets into 2 equal parts. This is the first one and this is the second one. That is what? Half of these all baskets. So 6 times of 1 is 6 and 2 as it is, and 6 divided by 2 is how much? It is 3. So if I divide 6 baskets into half, if I break 6 baskets as half, then I will get 3 baskets in each part. See here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the first part and this is the second part, and I got 3 baskets in each part or in each share. So like this, objects or items can be broken into equal parts in many ways. Similarly, let us go for the next example. So here we got group of mobiles. So these are just like a keypad mobiles, not your screen touch or touch screen mobiles. These are just keypad mobiles, and I am going to break this group of mobiles into equal parts. So the first way is I can break like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first way. There are 5 mobiles, and I broken those all 5 mobiles into how many equal shares or how many equal parts? 5. So 1/5 of 5 is how much? 5 times of 1 is 5, and this 5 as it is. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. So if I break 5 mobiles and if I divide 5 mobiles into 5 equal groups, then I will get one mobile in each part. See here, one mobile, one mobile, one mobile. So in each part I will get one mobile. And can this group of mobiles be arranged or be broken into in another way? Let's see. Half, if we do so, then here we will get 3, here we will get 2. So breaking this group of mobiles into half is not possible here. And let's go for 1/3. 1/3 means 3 equal parts we have to make. So we cannot make 3 equal parts in this group of mobile. So that is why 1/3 of this 5 is not possible. So that is why the only possible way is that 1/5 of 5, means making 5 equal parts in this group of 5 mobiles. And if you do so, then 1/5 of 5 is what? That is 1. So this is how you can break the items of the same kind. See here, these all are of same kind. All these are looking like baskets, and all these are same kind of mobiles. So you can break the items of the same kind into equal shares or parts by dividing like this to get the fractions. See here, to get the fractions. Let us solve the exercise problems of the page number page number 68. Yes, 68. And your first main is observe the colored objects in each group and complete the sentences. So here some groups of items are given, and in each group some items are already colored. See here I have just shaded. So you just assume that, you just think that I have colored. So some colored parts are given here. You need to identify the fraction by observing the colored parts. So let us take up the first one. So here we got how many balls? 12 balls. Then out of 12 balls, how many balls are colored? 2, 4, 6. So 12, out of 12, 6 balls are shaded, colored. Then what does it mean? Which mean we have colored half of the 12 balls. So what is the half of 12 balls? 12 divided by 2 is how much? 6. And 1/2 of 12 is how much? So this is the half. What is the 1/2 of 12? It is 6. Just observe the colored part in your textbook and count the number of balls they have already colored, and just write in those boxes as the answer. Let's go for this. So as I said, these are muffins, or these are also called as cupcakes. So right now they have given muffins as muffins in your textbook. So how many muffins are colored here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So one part, second part, and this is the third part. So there are 12 muffins. Then out of 12 muffins, 4 muffins are colored. And how many parts they made? 1, 2, 3, which means 1/3 of 12 muffins equals how much? 4 muffins. See here, 12 muffins are here. Then in 12 muffins we got how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3. And in each part, how many muffins we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why 1/3 of 12, or 12 divided by 3 is how much? It is 4. Or else 1/3 of 12 muffins is how much? It is 4. So these are the muffins they have colored. Come to toffees. So this is a group of toffees. So here some toffees are already colored. So but before that, in how many parts this group of toffees has been broken into? In how many parts? How many parts they have made? 4. So that you also make 4 parts. 1, right? 2, then let me make this 3, and lastly it is 4. So they have made 4 equal parts in this group of toffees, and 3 toffees are colored already. So 1/4 of 12 is how much? 1/4 of 12. So this is the 1/4. Why it is 1/4? Because they have made 4 equal parts out of 12 toffees. So that this is the 1/4 part. And how many toffees are there in 1/4 part of the toffees? 1, 2, 3. So that 1/4 of 12 is how much, or 12 divided by 4 is 3, or else 1/4 of 12 toffees is how much, 1, 2, 3, same answer, that is 3. So this is how you can find out, this is how you can break the items of the same kind into equal shares or parts. Sometimes you can observe, you can answer them by observing the colored parts, or sometimes you can break by yourself. Well students, let's go for the next main of the page number 69, and your next main is color the dots to show the fraction and complete these sentences. So we need to color some dots here. So these all are dots, and we need to color some dots to show the fraction, and we need to complete the sentences which are given below of each picture. So let us consider the first picture. They have already made here. So they have already made two equal groups, which means they are talking about half. So we need to color half a part of these dots. So just color like this. So this is the half a part of the dots has been colored now. Next, half of 8. So out of 8 dots, we have already colored 4. So still, how many dots are remain? So 4. So that half of 8 is how much? It is 4. Or else half of the dots have been has been colored here. So that's why this is the half of the dots. So that is why this portion is representing 4 dots. Let's go for the next question. So here they have made 4 parts, which means they are talking about 1/4, and we need to color 1/4 part of the dots. So 1/4 of 12. So there are 12 dots in total, and out of 12 dots we have already colored 3 dots. So 1/4 of 12 is how much? Just count here, 3 dots. Next, how many dots are here? 10 dots are here, and those 10 dots have been broken and kept in 5 different parts, and we need to color only 1/5 part of those dots. And if we color so, then how many dots are colored? 2 dots. So that shows the 1/5 of the 10 dots. So what is the 1/5 of 10? It is 2 dots, because 2 dots are colored. That is the 1/5 of 10 dots. What is the 1/3 of 12? So just color first 1/3. So this is the 1/3, just color it. So I have colored now. Then how many dots I colored? 4, which means 1/3 of 12 is how much? 4 dots, and those 4 dots are colored here. Let's go for the next main, that is write the answers. But before writing the answers, you must know that, remember, half of 4, which means 4 divided by 2 is 2. Which means whenever there is a fraction of something, so you have to think that the given number divided by that denominator. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Similarly, half of 4, how much? It is 2, clearly given. B, half of 6 divided by 2, how much? It is 3. Half of 10 divided by 2, how much? It is 5. Next, half of 18. So 18 divided by 2, it is 9. Then 1/7 of 14, simple, 14 divided by 7, that is 2. Then 1/9 of 18, 18 divided by 9, how much? It is 2. Then 1/3 of 6, that is 6 divided by 3, it is 2. 1/3 of 9, 9 divided by 3, how much? 3. 1/5 of 15, 15 divided by 5, 3. 1/4 of 8, 8 divided by 4, 2. 1/10 of 40, means 40 divided by 10, it is 4. 1/4 of 20, means 20 divided by 4, it is 5. Yes, we have written the answers based on this clue. Let's go for the next main, that is skill test. Half an hour blank minutes. So before solving this, you must know some facts, which means 1 hour equals 60 minutes, 1 year equals 365 days, 1 year equals 12 months, 1 day equals 24 hours, 1 dozen of something equals 12 items. So these are the things you must know before solving these questions. Then only solving this main is very easy. So half an hour. So just look at the answer here. They are asking your answer in minutes. So that instead of thinking this an hour, you must think that 1 hour means 60 minutes. So what is the half of 60 minutes? Because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So that in place of an hour, you must take 60 minutes. So what is the half of 60 minutes? It is obviously 30 minutes. Next, half a day. They are asking the answers in hours. So that you have to convert this day into hours. So 1 day equals 24 hours. So what is the half of 24 hours? It is 12 hours, correct? Are you getting the idea? I hope so, right? Then half of a dozen of eggs. So 1 dozen egg means how much? It is 12 items. So half of a dozen means how many eggs? 6 eggs. Then D, half of a year. They are asking the answers in months. As I said, 1 year equals 12 months. Then what is the half of 12 months? That is 6 months, correct? Then 1/3 of year. They are asking the answers again in months. So 1 year equals 12 months. So what is the 1/3 of 12? Are you getting the idea? In place of 1 year, I am taking 12 months. So what is the 1/3 of 12 months? It is 4 months. So when 12 months are broken into 3 equal parts, then each part will have 4 months, right? Then 1/4 of a year. 1 year has 12 months, and 12 months divided by 4, or 1/4 of 12 months. How much? It is 3 months. Next, 1/4 of a day, and they are asking the answers in hours. So 1 day will have 24 hours, and 1/4 of 24 hours will be how much? 6 hours. Next, it is 1/3 of dozen of eggs. As I said, 1 dozen eggs mean how many eggs? 12 eggs. So 12 divided by 3, or 1/3 of 12 eggs is how much? It is 4 eggs. So this is how you can find out the answers based on the clues given.